Don't take your guys' $100,000 Range Rover or any cars off-road. I got DIY gold standard polish, buff and shine maroon pad, jacked up paint. Man, dude, this paint is so messed up, but guess what? There's not a problem. You can do this at your house. Rupes, 15 mil. I'm gonna spray a couple sprays on here just to saturate. Every time I like to use a polish or compound, I always wanna do the edges. I like to get the edges, and I'm just gonna put a spritz just for the first pass so I can get it really, really deep into these foam fibers. Okay, so you can see, I don't know if it's gonna come up too well because this is freaking silver, but it is trashed. There's tons of Rocky Mountain pinstripes. They took it out. Anyways, let's get to it. Okay, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 2 passes right here, and then we're just cut to over here. Literally, I'm just gonna let the polisher do its work and let the pad and compound work together and knock these scratches out. Flat on the panel, start off at 1. Not a lot of pressure, let's just get it over all of this. And then I'm gonna ramp up to about 3. Go, nice and slow, good. Then I'm gonna go a little bit higher. No pressure at all, just letting the pad work. 50-50. So that was 1 pass. Look at that clarity right there. 1 pass. Here, that was not even 1 up and down, that was just 1. You don't need to go up and down. You can, and I'll go ahead and do that because at home you should practice doing this. Okay, so let's get it all out. Look at the pad. It has quite a bit of compound on there, but I'm gonna put more. I know you're not supposed to. I just want it good into those fibers. Let's ramp it up. $50-50. Overlap a little bit. And then when you see a deeper scratch, there's a mow down. So all I gotta do is go over that scratch, cross hatch it, try to get those scratches out, and then boom, just look at it. All right, guys, this is something, like I said, you can just do this on phone, go online, DIY gold standard, spray compound polish. I would say it's just a great 1 step. You know, if you go to so right now over here, I got 3D1, I got last cut, I got a grip of different ones. But this is a DIY specifically made for you, so it has longer working time, really it has lubricity, but it also has a decent cut. Let's wipe it off, let's see if it did its job. Whew. Oh man, dude, it never gets, look at that. Oh, man, it kind of pisses me off because it's called DIY, but I guess it is the gold standard. Look at that nice cut, a nice finish. There's 3 things that you want from an all-in-one compound is what you want. You want it to be able to work. You want longer working time. You want it to be able to get these scratches out. You want it lube. I like the way how oily it was. It worked really well, helped me get these scratches out. Long working time. But the number three, this is what you can't forget. Results, man, look at that. They say it has no fillers. I don't think so either. Yo, what's up, boy? You know what it is. J&G, Born Detailer, Jamie, I'm out here. 1 step, do it at your house. But one thing that you do not want to do, take your $100,000 Range Rover into the woods. Peace out.